Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, it's cool right here, and basically what this is a dehumidifying bag. That's basically like a hanging bag to help you guys absorb like moisture. So if you guys want to put this in your closet, or if you guys want to put this somewhere else, that is up to you guys. So I actually reviewed a few other ones from different brands, ranging from like Vac Plus and Damp Rid. If you guys haven't seen that video that I did for those two products, you definitely should check it out. Alright, so right here we have the Vac Plus moisture absorbing bag. If you can see, this is basically what it actually looks like. So when you guys first get the product, all you guys see is this little ball inside, and this part was completely empty. But after 2 weeks, you guys can see there's so much liquid or moisture that actually absorbed into the actual product right here. And then on the side right here, we have another one from a different brand called Damp Rid. If you can see, this one actually absorbs a lot of water as well. But basically in that video, I show you guys how well it works in terms of like absorbing the moisture and everything. Literally within like 1 week or maybe even a few days, you can definitely see the result really fast. Especially if you guys put this in your closet, there's actually a lot of moisture and odor and everything inside your closet. So you definitely want to get one of these right here to put it in there. But I never tested this specific brand right here yet. So that's why I wanted to get this one and test it out as well. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like. So you can definitely see the bag inside right there, but let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take out the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. So you can definitely see right here, they mention how it's a moisture absorbing hanging bag. So you can definitely hang this wherever you guys want to absorb like moisture or whatever. And basically inside they have a hanger. Let me actually open up one of these to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So this top part right here, they have a bunch of these little balls inside. And this part right here basically help you guys absorb the moisture. And all the moisture will fall down right here. And the capacity on here is 500 milliliters. And then right here, eventually, they do have the little hanger. So basically, you want to put it right here and clip it on. Same thing for other one as well. And then once you guys clip it in, they actually hang this onto your pole or whatever in your closet. And basically once you guys hang this in your closet, you basically have to wait like a few days or maybe a week, and you definitely see results instantly. I did test the other one where it's like a little cup, and those don't really work that well. I put this over for almost like a month now, and I haven't really seen much result in terms of absorbing the moisture. But once I hang these bags, I can definitely see a huge result instantly. But so far from using these bags right here versus like the cup or trays. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, let me actually show you guys what I'm talking about, and also show you guys how to use this really quick. And then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so we got a moisture absorber bag set up right here. So I'm gonna leave this for maybe like a week or a month or however long it takes to absorb all the moisture in this room. So like I mentioned earlier, I've been using two other brands of moisture absorber bag. So there's Vac Plus and there's also Damp Rid. So right here, if you can see, we have the Damp Rid. If you can see how much moisture absorbed on here. And this is after like a month or so. So there's definitely a lot of moisture in this room, and the product actually works really, really well. Like I mentioned, this is from the brand called Damp Rid. You can definitely see how it actually carries a lot of liquid on here. And this is basically all the moisture that's in this room. But basically for this one bag right here is equivalent to like 3 of these bags or 4 of these bags right here. So you can totally imagine how much moisture actually will absorb with this small little bag right here. So what I recommend is that if you guys want to put this in your closet, you probably want to put like 3 or 4 of these in here. And then right here you can see we have the cup version. So you can see in the bottom right here, there's like no moisture or anything absorbed. But the top part is basically hard. So these don't work as well as the bag because this has already been like a month, and you can see there's like no liquid in the bottom. Compared to the bag version, it only takes like 1 week, and you definitely see the result like instantly. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you get a quick test of the product, and definitely see that actually does work and it's quite well. Super easy to install the product. Literally once you guys clip this together, you can hang this onto your pole, in your closet, or wherever you guys want to use it. So obviously right now I can't really show you guys results, so I might have to do like an update review after like a week or so. But see what I showed you guys earlier in terms of the actual Vac Plus brand and also Damp Rid brand. Those work really, really well in terms of absorbing like the moisture and everything. And that only applies to the bag. If you guys use the cup option, it doesn't really work that well if you didn't see how I showed you guys earlier. So if you guys want to get like the best result, you definitely want to get like the hanging bag options. Whether you get it from the Damp Rid brand, Vac Plus brand, or even from this brand, that is up to you guys. But like I mentioned, I don't have the result for this one yet. So I'll definitely do like an update review probably in a week or so. And for this product that I got right here, it comes in a pack of 12 of these. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this product is actually really worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if your room or your closet or anywhere else has a lot of moisture or odor, you definitely want to get one of these to remove all the moisture and odor from your room. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.